giant box from Amazon, tool day. Let's figure out how big the box is. The little small tool. And where's that knife we had? And some scissors too. So what's this thing all about?
It's another ratcheting wrench set.
Apparently, ever since I saw that nano wrench set, I've been going crazy on ratchets.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Here, open it here. You just... So we're gonna need some scissors. This tool kind of looks kind of cheap. Just the boxing.
Yeah.
But wait, do I need this after I have the other one?
I don't think so. I mean, you have the feature of it looks like a half-inch indent.
So this is different.
Half inch.
You mean 3/8 or half inch?
Looks like half inch. Or is that 3/8? Maybe it's 3/8.
Because the other one uses a proprietary clip here.
Yeah.
But this one looks like it could just... It looks like it's the nano thing. Remember that nano thing that only gave me the size from like 14 to 19, but didn't give me 13 to 8? So does this says 13 to 8? 9,
13, 14, 19, 17.
Yeah, so maybe I was trying to solve that
13,
problem.
12, 11, 10.
And does it say 3/8?
But this kit over here also has all the way down to 8. Look, this kit has 19 to 8.
Yeah, but the way it's connected, it stops here. But the way this is connected, I can put extensions as long as I want.
Oh.
Remember, they
Yeah.
didn't make this into like one of these.
Yeah.
If they stuck one of those in there, and you can put what? Yeah.
Okay.
So in a way, this is like the one that was yesterday we opened up, that nano set, that nano thing that with that's sitting out there.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why I bought this.
So you want to connect the nano set to this, is what you're saying?
Yeah, this looks like... You're saying this looks as half inch?
Or 3/8, yeah.
But you know what? The head looks really unique. Does it look like a square or a rectangle? Looks like a rectangle.
Yeah.
So if it's a rectangle, we don't have any tools that look like that. That means we have to use their extension. Unless if they put one of
But these look, well, those look like rectangles too, don't they?
Yeah, so we don't have tools that fit this thing.
Well,
So this is a return.
Well, we have this as a reference point.
Yeah, so that's not the same. Totally different.
Yeah, look, try getting that in there.
So it's almost like everything that this tool does can be done with this tool. It's like a duplicate that I don't need. Unless this is like a lot of torque here.
Yeah, unless you want the extensions. You want to extend it super far.
Yeah, so this is a return.